A drawing can contain multiple layouts. In this drawing, for example, so far we have a front elevation, a floor plan, and a section. We're going to look at how we can add additional layouts to a drawing. I can add a new layout using the tools available in my Quick View layout. I have New Layout as one of the options available. If I click this, you'll see that a layout is instantly added to the set. When I click on this, it's given me a default paper size, and it's created a viewport so that I can set up my layout. If I want to edit or change the setup for this layout, I can go to any of the thumbnails, right click, and choose Page Setup Manager from the shortcut menu. On that I can find Layout 1. I'm going to choose Modify. Here you can see that the chosen printer is an Adobe PDF file. I can set the paper size. In this case I'm going to go with Architectural B, which should be 12 by 18. I'm going to choose a plot style that's monochrome, so all my lines are in black. I want landscape orientation, and I want my plot scale to be full size, as I usually would when I'm plotting from a layout. With these changes made, I'll say OK and then close my Page Setup Manager, and you'll notice that in the layout now the paper size has changed, and I can work with my new setup so that I can arrange my viewports or add a title block. Another option for adding a new layout would be to go to my menu browser, go to Insert, Layout, and I have Insert a Layout from a template. I'm going to choose this, and it opens up my AutoCAD default template file. And from this list I'm going to choose a standard layout. This is a architectural DWT, and it has a title block on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. It says it's a D size layout, so it would be a D size sheet of paper. I say OK, and now I've created this D size layout. When I click on this layout, you'll notice that it has a title block, and it comes with a viewport that's already in there. Another method for inserting a new layout would be to go to my menu browser to Layout, and I can create using a layout wizard. This is going to ask me a series of questions. So enter a name for the layout. It says the default name is going to be Layout 2. I'll accept that. I can choose the printer. So in this case I'm going to print a DWF plot. Wants me to pick my paper size. In this case I'm going to choose an ANSI B size. That would be 12 by 18. That's a full. Next is going to be the orientation, so it will be landscape. Title block, I'm going to say no title block. Define the viewports, so I want a single viewport, and I can choose the scale that I would like it to be. I'm going to choose 1/4 inch equals a foot for the viewport, and it will open it already scaled for me. And I can pick the location of the viewport, so I can click here and I can actually draw the viewport on the piece of paper, and when I click Finish, it's given me that particular layout that I just defined.